All right, last lesson before spring break is factoring review. So I'm going to show you this paper and like give you a couple hints and pointers, but I'm not going to do much of it with you. I don't think I'm going to do any of it actually. But I will post the answer key. I'm thinking, what do you guys think? Like Wednesday night, Thursday morning, Wednesday night. And that way you can check it over before you do your Edulastic. So just this video is gonna be super short because there's not a whole lot for me to say, but I will show you the paper so you understand what you're doing, but I'm not gonna do any of it with you. Okay, so this was the first lesson of last week. So it's factoring out your GCF. So it is you're only gonna have a parentheses. I guess I said I wasn't gonna do any, but I'll do one from each group. Lied. Okay, so looking at, yeah, let's do number 3 actually. It says there GCF there? No. This one's gonna be prime. And then let's look at number 4. What's our GCF? We have 8 and 22. So the only thing that I can take out of both of those is a 2. And then for my variables, you always go by your smallest exponent. So I have x to the 3rd and x to the 5th, so x to the 3rd. And then y to the 4th, y to the 6th, so y to the 4th. So in this one, I'm going to just have a 4 left over. But for the next one, I'm going to have a minus 11. I have x squared, y squared. Okay, so that was last week's first lesson. Then we did difference of squares. All you do here is you check that they're subtracted. They are, it's a difference. And then you check that they're both perfect squares, and then you give a plus and a minus. So a plus 8, and then a minus 8. Okay, that was the second lesson from last week. And then factoring trinomials is what we just did, and then this one's gonna be like, put it all together. You gotta find a GCF first, that's what the directions say, and then factor the remaining difference of squares or trinomial. So decide which one it is. All right, so that's all I'm gonna do with you guys for this. I want you to work through all of this. You can use notes from last week to do it. And then I will post the answers for you so you can check how you did.